Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and it's been a minute since I filmed. I've been procrastinating because I haven't been feeling like filming. But I am here today to get this video out of the way and show you guys the yarn I got from Sweden. Crazy, I know, it's literally November 2nd. I know, Kalila. Let's mind our own, Kalila. Let's mind our own business. Kalila, literally, she's doing something in the kitchen, and when I said that, I literally saw her go like, listen, I understand. November 2nd. We came back from Sweden September 20th or 21st. Yeah, so it's been that long. It's been a month plus. But who cares? I'm here now to show you guys the yarn I got in Sweden. And then projects I worked on in September and October. So let's get it. To start off, I kind of don't know where my yarn went for one of my projects, the one I was working on in Sweden, the green sweater. You guys, I think you guys saw it in my last video. No, I told you guys I would show you guys the sweater and how I turned it into a top. Well, I can't find the yarn I used for it, so I'll just show you guys that project with the projects I made. So now I'll just show you guys the yarn. I don't even know why I said that anyway. So I got Plain Yarns Cloud. It is in the color, I don't know. I think the dye lot is 8077. Color 1077001. Whatever that is, but this is how it looks. And I got a whole bunch of it. Like, my bag is full of it. You guys can't see, but just trust me. And I think I started working on a project with one of them because I got another set of cloud, but then I wasn't feeling it then, so I stopped working on it. But when I was working on it, it was amazing. I loved it. It felt so good and so soft. But now I'm wondering whether I should single strand it or double strand the sweater, since I have a lot of it. I don't know yet. I'll see. This is how it looks. There's my phone. Oh, it's right here. Oh. My dad's calling BRB. Alright, I'm back. What was I doing? I gotta go look at the footage. Okay, I was showing the yarn. So, it looks like this. Well, this is another color, and the colors change a little bit. So this one is bolder than this one. This is kind of lighter, but they're the same color. So this one is a little darker, but you can see how fuzzy it is. So awesome. So that's one set I got of the cloud yarn. And then I got this beautiful color. Okay, I started working on this one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I need to work on this immediately. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Okay, this color is the dye lot is 6061. The color is 000004. Yeah. So, oh my goodness, look at this. This is so beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so nice. No, I am not double stranding anything, and this is gonna be single stranded and beautiful. Oh my gosh. I just pulled this out of my closet, so I haven't seen this since Sweden. And I don't remember it being this pretty. This is beautiful. Anyway, that's the yarn I got. Then I got I don't know what the yarn was called, but I did make that green top out of it. But it was 2 types of yarn because, oh my gosh, my battery's dying. Where do I even keep my batteries? I haven't filmed in so long, but I have to remember what I was saying. Green yarn. Okay, got it. Did I smudge this? Okay. So, the green yarn, I know I paired it. It was like a fluffy yarn, and I paired it with a mohair looking or alpaca looking yarn. I have no idea what it was or where it is, and I don't even know if I mentioned it in any of my videos in Sweden when I was working on it. I don't even know if I showed you guys how it looked. So I have no idea, absolutely none, of what that yarn is. But I'll just show you guys my project. So now I'm gonna show you guys all the things I made, knitted specifically. All of the sweaters or tops I knitted in the month of September and October. So this is the first one. This is what I worked on in Sweden. This is what I started working on in Sweden, and it turned out like this. I think my cat saw a bird. Anyway. And I showed you guys this like piece of it in one of my videos, but this is the finished product. When I realized that the sweater I was making was going to be tight fitted, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna turn it into a top, because I like all of my sweaters kind of oversized ish. So yeah, when I realized it wasn't gonna be oversized, I just quickly turned it into a top. I use the Louisiana pattern for this. Of course, all the sweaters I'm gonna show you guys, all the sweaters I'm getting ready to show you guys, I use the Louisiana pattern for all of it, because it's such an easy pattern and it works up super fast. So yeah, kind of obsessed. So this is the first thing I made in a month of September. No, actually the Louisiana sweater, the first one I finished in Sweden and wore in Sweden, was the first sweater I made in the month of September. And then I made this. And then when I got back home, I went to Walmart and just bought a whole bunch of acrylic yarn. I didn't buy a whole bunch, but I'll show you guys what I got. So I went to Walmart and I got this Red Heart Super Saver Jumbo Stripe yarn, because it's literally fall, and I was like, I need a cute little fall sweater, and I just wanted to continue knitting with the Louisiana sweater pattern. So I just got this yarn and I made this sweater with it, which turned out amazing. I actually double stranded this. So this is kind of heavy a little bit. It's not heavy, it's only heavy because it's double stranded. It's heavier than what it would feel like if I single stranded it, but it's not a heavy sweater, and I love that because it's not like weighted on me when I wear it. But this is how it turned out. Amazing. Amazing. Are you kidding me? This is such a beautiful sweater. I'll even put it on for you guys. So this is how it looks. And it's so soft and warm. Like, I feel so warm in this. I love it. Ah! So yeah, and I love how different it looks without me having to change the color, since it's literally striped itself. So I love that look of it. And I do plan on making more sweaters like this in the future. So after I finished that, I started another sweater, but I single stranded this time. And I used this yarn that I got from Walmart as well. It's the same Super Saver Jumbo Stripes. I don't even know the color. Oh, the color is Sutherland Stripe. And is that right? I really don't know. Oh yeah, I think it is, because this one is called Latte Stripe. Yeah. So yeah, I got this and this. I haven't finished this sweater. I have one more sleeve to do, but I just didn't feel like continuing it. But this is how it looks so far. You can see I'm not done, but I did finish this sleeve, and I did like the balloon sleeve-ish, like on this sweater. I didn't do the balloon sleeve, I just decreased gradually. But on this one, I wanted that balloon cinched cuff look, so that's what I did with that. And that's how this is turning out. And I love how it literally looks like I'm changing colors myself, when I'm not. This is just how it worked up on its own. Single-stranded. Are you kidding me? Beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. Oh, this is so nice. And so after that, I wanted to knit a black sweater. And again, I'm expecting these sweaters to come out relatively large without me having to double strand, but since the Louisiana pattern calls for such a chunky yarn, no matter how much I size up, the sweater's still going to be small because I'm single stranding and using 7mm, 6mm needles when a pattern calls for 9mm needles. So the next sweater, I expected it to be oversized as well, because I even jumped up to an extra large. I did an extra large, like knitted it instead of a small, which is, or instead of a medium, which is what I did with the last two sweaters, the brown and this color one, and they still came out small. So I was like, okay, let me go up to an XL. I'll use a 7mm to see if it makes it a little bit big, like bigger. It didn't, which is why I turned it into a crop top long sleeve instead of a full-size sweater, because it would have been tight fitting as well, and I don't like tight fitted sweaters. Like, I like my sweaters oversized. So this next sweater, I actually did finish it because I have plans for this specifically. So with this one, I used, oh, the yarn's right here. With this sweater, I used Jops Alaska, which is 100% wool. So this sweater is already finished and blocked and ready for what I'm going to do to it. I'll show you guys later what I do to the sweater. Anyway, so this is how it turned out. Since it wasn't going to be oversized, I just decided to make it a crop top, but long sleeve as well. And this is the Louisiana sweater pattern as well, like all the other sweaters I showed you guys. And with this, I decreased as well to make it a gradual cuff thing, so it's not cinched. And this is the best cuff I've ever done in my life. I'm obsessed with it. So I had to figure out on my own when to decrease, how many rounds in between I need to decrease, and when to stop decreasing, and it was crazy, but I enjoyed it, and this is how it turned out. Yeah, that's it. Either way, this is really nice. It's super, super, super light, so even when I do decide to make a full-size sweater, I know that this isn't going to be super heavy. So I love that about Jops Alaska. So yeah, this was the last sweater I worked on. I think I finished this like 2 days ago, so like October 29th, I think. So that was the last sweater I worked on in the month of October. And that's all I have, because right now I'm just crocheting. I'm working on a bucket hat, so I'm not even knitting right now. But when I do knit a project again, I'm actually going to use sweater number 1 by My Favorite Things Knitwear, which is basically the Louisiana sweater but smaller. So I can actually make a medium and it'll be oversized, which is good. perfect. Anyway, that's all I have for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. And since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.